What is up, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today is going to be a store update because, as most of you know, I did that series where I showed the Shopify store and it got a little bit messed up just due to people placing fake orders and fraudulent traffic and all this stuff that really just affected my lookalikes and ads in general. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys a store update of how the sales are doing. Is it profitable? Is it making sales? And yeah, guys, if you don't know already, I will be giving away the store once it's at $100,000 in revenue. So leave a like and comment if you want to be the winner. And the winner, whoever wins, will be flown here to the warehouse, and I'll be showing them everything they need to know in order to manage and continuously make sales with the store. And actually, as of right now, the hurricane's supposed to hit. I don't know too much about if it's gonna hit here bad, but we're preparing. Got a ton of cars here in the warehouse. I'm gonna make a video, a little warehouse tour a little bit later on. Maybe that video will go up tomorrow to show you guys sort of who owns the warehouse and what it's for. So let's go ahead and hop on my computer. I would screen share, but I would have to mark out too much stuff. So really, I'm just gonna be showing you from my point of view exactly what's going on with the store and giving you guys some updates. And if you have any questions about the store or whatever, leave a comment below once I'm going through this, and I'll go to the comments and respond to each of them. So right now it is 12:23 p.m. and we're at about $400 in sales almost. And we're getting a pretty good conversion rate, you know, 727 visitors, 15 orders. As you know, from the beginning of the series, it was a lot worse than that. So it's getting better now. We're getting more sales, consistent sales with lookalikes and stuff. And I'll show you guys that in a minute. But yes, the payments are on hold. So the reason the payments are on hold is because about 4 days ago, someone placed like 5 fraudulent orders that were like $500 in total. I was like, wow, I made a lot of sales, and I looked at it. It was all by the same person, all fraudulent orders. And then I didn't refund them. Yeah, I just left them there. And then I got an email from Shopify. They're like, look, you have to refund this person right now or your payments are gonna stay on hold forever. So I was like, all right, whatever. So I refunded the person, not a big deal. And I'm waiting for them to release the hold on my store. It's sort of annoying because they owe me like $3 grand right now, over $3 grand just for my sales. And I need to use some of that money to pay for the orders. So yeah, I mean, stuff happens. It's an unfortunate event. If you ever get any fraudulent orders, just go ahead and refund them instantly. You know, if they place multiple. If it's just one order from one person that says it's fraudulent, I would just recommend reaching out to that specific person that placed that order. But now let's go to my computer so I can give you guys some more insights. So as I said, $388 from today. And yesterday was actually the best day so far. $675.90, but it was actually a lot more than that. It was right around $1,000 because I had to refund that person yesterday, which was $264.71 that was taken out of the daily revenue. So it was about $950 in revenue that we had there, which is a solid day. And I'm expecting to continuously get this, and we're averaging about a 3 ROAS for all of the ads that are being profitable right now. So I'll go through and show you guys some stuff. And of course, we're still cold testing some different products, so it's not completely profitable where everything is making tons and tons of money, but it's at a profitable point where at least it's making money, you know, consistent sales at a good number and making profit. So let's go ahead and show you guys some of the ads. So the first one I want to show you guys here in the ads manager is actually for a product that costs $48 and a $23 break even. So we charge $48 on the store, and it's a $23 break even point, which is basically the sale cost minus our actual hard cost, which is what it costs for us to buy on AliExpress. And these are the lookalikes. They've been running for like a day or so, and you know, not that many sales, but at least it's at a profitable point for some of them, you know, 4.9 ROAS, 2.3, 2.38, 4.6. So the ones that are getting sales are profitable, and the other ones will be turned off if they spend more than the break-even point within a day or two. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. So this is another lookalike that we created. Actually made this yesterday, and it seems to be doing pretty well. You know, 2 purchases on one of the ad sets with the 14 ROAS consistently, at least for 2 purchases. So it continues to do that. It's gonna be a very profitable product. Might be a winner, it might not. So far it's good looks, but like I said, only one of the ad sets is profitable. But of course, it's only been 1 day, so we can't really base it off of anything. Now this next one is sort of iffy. This is another lookalike campaign. This one's been up for a few days now, and it's getting, you know, good sales. As you can see, this one here has 14 purchases at a 344 ROAS, which is really good. So this ad set is a killer right here. It's making me a lot of money on this product. You know, not a ton of money, as you can see, $225 conversion value. But based on, you know, out of all these ad sets, it's the most profitable one, and it has the most purchases, which is a really good look because, you know, most of the time you'll have like, you know, 1 purchase in a 10 ROAS or 4 ROAS, but this one is consistently getting sales at a 3.4 ROAS, which is really good. But some of these other ones aren't as profitable, so we'll turn those off and continue just to focus on the one that is the most profitable right now. And for those of you that want to know what it's at for the month, it's at almost 5 grand. So as you can see, you know, each day is getting better and better. That first day there is when someone placed all the fraudulent orders. But it is what it is. We're consistently growing about every day. Yesterday that first line would have been up a lot more, but we had to refund like $270. But this day is halfway through, so we'll probably pass that for sure. And yeah, we're getting good sales. I'm hoping, my plan is to make 15 grand this month on the store, and the next month 40 grand, and then continue to build it. So once someone wins it, then they're gonna have a solid store that's consistently making money. So I'm excited to see whoever wins this store. This is gonna be something really, really big. I've never seen anyone really give away a store, especially one that would be making consistent sales. I'm sort of taking a loss on my end here because this is a consistent store that I'm building up right now, and it's just gonna be given to someone, but hopefully they use it for the good and they know how to run it, and I'll teach them. Like I said, whoever wins during the giveaway, I haven't figured out everything I wanna do for the giveaway yet, but whoever wins, I know for sure I'll be flying them out here to Greensboro, putting them in a hotel and teaching them everything they need to know for a couple days, just to make sure they have a good understanding. You can watch my YouTube videos and learn some stuff, but you really don't learn everything until it's like an in-person meeting. It's like a one-on-one consulting, except it's gonna be free. A lot of people ask me for consulting calls, but I really just don't do them that much because I feel like it takes a lot of time, and sometimes people ask me really dumb questions on the consulting calls, and I don't wanna charge people money for asking me dumb questions that they could figure out on their own. So let me know, guys, in the comments below if you have any questions about the store. And I'll make these update videos every once in a while once it starts to blow up even more. We're still product testing a lot, so it's not profitable at a very high point. I would say around like 20% right now, which is pretty good based on how we started it in the series, because all the stuff that happened. But it is what it is, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, this quick little update, and if you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment below. But yeah, guys, hope you all have a great day. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.